So just took the fuel tank off, loosen this choke cable so I can pull the carburetor out, and took off the air cleaner and stuff, breather bolts, so I'll be able to pull it out. So just took these off. Just it's a slot here that you have to pull the cable from, and then you can just unclip them from these parts here. The back one's the spring, the cable with the spring, and the front one is obviously the one without. And yeah, just put it through the same way that it come out. Yeah. So just went with the throttle cable. When I linked them both up, I didn't have enough free play on the last cable, so if I installed the throttle first, I wouldn't have enough free play for the idle. So I just went with the throttle. Seems all good, just had it running. So pretty much now I just got to bleed the brakes and just make sure everything's tightened down. But yeah, getting there.